At the pharmacy.
Hello, I need medicine.
What is the problem?
I have a headache.
Tablets or liquid?
Tablets, please.
Take one every 6 hours.
Do I need food with it?
Yes. Better with food.
How much is it?
£5.
Here is my card.
Payment accepted.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Get well soon.
At the doctor.
Hello, I don't feel well.
What is wrong?
I have a sore throat and a cough.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
How long have you been sick?
3 days.
Okay, I will give you medicine.
Tablets or syrup?
Tablets. Take 2 a day.
Do I need rest?
Yes, stay in bed and drink water.
Thank you, doctor.
You are welcome. Take care.
Calling emergency services.
Hello, I need help.
This is emergency. What happened?
My friend is hurt.
Is he awake?
Yes, but he is bleeding.
Where are you now?
In the park.
What is the address?
Green Park, near the lake.
Ambulance is on the way.
Please hurry.
Stay calm. Keep pressure on the wound.
Okay, I will.
Help is coming soon.
Asking for help on the street.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure, what is wrong?
I lost my bag.
Oh no, what was inside?
My phone and passport.
That is serious. Did you call the police?
Not yet. Where is the station?
Over there, near the corner.
Thank you. Can you come with me?
Yes, of course.
You are very kind.
No problem. Let's go.
Lost passport situation.
Hello, I lost my passport
When did you lose it?
yesterday on the bus.
Did you report it to the police?
Yes, I have a paper.
Good. We can give you a new passport.
How long will it take?
3 days.
I see. Can I travel now?
You need a temporary paper.
Can I get it today?
Yes. This afternoon.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
At the police station.
Hello, I need help.
What happened?
My bag was stolen.
Where did it happen?
On the bus.
What was inside the bag?
My phone and money.
Did you see the thief?
No, I did not.
Okay, I will write a report.
Thank you. Do I get a copy?
Yes, here it is.
Perfect. I need it for the embassy.
No problem. Be careful next time.
I will. Thank you.